Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to shorten a chandelier. And this will be an easy tutorial, but it will also be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have a chandelier. This is an old chandelier from my house, and we took it down, we replaced it with something else, and I just wanted to sort of use it for a video before I got rid of it. So I'll be using this for the instructional video, and yeah, you can take these instructions and apply them to your own chandelier as well. Now, the first thing I want to say is that the easiest, the best way, the safest way, just the overall way that I think you should do this is to disconnect the chandelier completely, get it, in a completely separate area and work on it separately. That's the best way. So obviously, make sure you safely disconnect the chandelier, safely remove the chandelier, and then you can work on shortening it. That's actually the best thing you can do, in my opinion. So it's actually fairly simple, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So that's the chandelier, this is the chain, okay? As you can see over here. Now, what we have here on the chain is a link over here right at the end that sort of will attach to any of these links over here. And then each of these links is basically broken but sort of touching. So this one I already just sort of moved the parts so you can see, and I'll demonstrate how to shorten it. Now, you want to essentially remove a certain number of links. That's how you're going to shorten it. So you got to figure out how many links you're going to remove. So just for this example, I'm just going to remove 2 links. But you can remove, as many or as few as you want to, but you're going to be removing them in order to shorten it. So as you can see right here, what you want to do, I believe there's a special tool for this, but honestly, you could just use 2 pairs of pliers like this, okay? So what I'm going to do over here is I'm getting this pair of pliers over here and putting them just on the left, just like that, gripping that part there. And then this pair of pliers here is going to go on the right, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to sort of just bend them apart, okay? So separate them like that. And as you can see, what that does is that allows me to remove the link. So here is one chandelier link that I've removed, very simple. Okay, and I'm going to remove a second link as well, okay? Obviously, there's a wire that's going to be running through the links, so obviously be careful with the wire. Make sure, you're being cautious around it and so forth. So I'm going to take the second link over here. I'm going to get this pair of pliers like this and another pair of pliers like that, and essentially I'm just going to bend it apart, okay? Just enough to pull it off, okay? And there's the second link. I've now shortened the chandelier length by 2 links. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the link that is the closest to the actual chandelier. Okay, so this one over here is like the top link, I should say. Okay, and I'm gonna put it through this over here. So this right here, I'm gonna twist this, and it's gonna open up a gap. So I'll just bring it a little bit closer so you can see. Just give me a moment here. I think there we go. That's the way to twist it. So I'm gonna twist it, and it's gonna open up a gap. Okay. So you can see right over here, now I have access to this, and I'm going to take that top link that I spoke of. Just give me a moment to find out which one it is. They're all bunching up together. Just give me a moment. So I'm going to take, here it is. This is the top link right over here, and I'm going to feed it into that link that opened up. Okay, just like that. So it's now in there, and I'm going to close this link. Okay. And what this has done is I've now created the chandelier attached now again. So the chandelier is now attached properly. There's a spider. Wow. It's been in this has been in my garage for a long time. So there's lots of spiders on it. But I've now attached it. I've shortened the chandelier. So it's a shorter chandelier, but we have all this extra wire, right? So we have to feed the wire through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the wire, and I'm essentially going to be pulling it through the links, okay, to shorten the wire. Okay, and you can obviously leave a little bit of slack, of course, but basically, I'm going to be getting the wire and I'm going to be shortening it, and because you don't want too much extra wire, right? So right now, I sort of pulled it through, and as you can see right over here, we now don't have any extra wire. It's nice and smooth, and that's basically it. That is how to shorten a chandelier. It's actually really, really easy to do, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. Hopefully you liked it, and yeah, simple and straightforward. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.